Hi guys, welcome to the $0 to $100 challenge. In today's episode, we are going to set up a Lazada seller account. So I have to admit, I'm relatively new. Actually, I'm really new at this, but we can just kind of Google, stumble, and let's learn together on how to set up a Lazada account. Okay, with that, enough of me talking, and let's set up this account. Okay guys, for us to start selling on Lazada, once we have logged in Lazada, which is lazada.com.my, there are a couple of options that we can pick on top of over here. And we can see a particular option which says sell on Lazada. And I think we can kind of click this button over here. Oh, wow, cool. So we can kind of sign up. So 3 easy steps: create a seller account, upload products, sell and earn. So I want to click this button that says sign up now. Okay. Let's fill up the, let's fill this form up together. Okay, once you have filled up your email and also your password, click next. Let us put in our mobile number. Oh, and after we filled up our phone number, we just kind of slide it over here. And let's put in our 6 digits code. And then click next. Shop name. Maybe I call it Kedai Gadget. Okay, since many of you know that I love gadgets, so I'm gonna just call this Kedai Gadget. Let us see whether we can start the business. And after you have typed in your name of the shop, right now you already have a shop, and over here we have Kedai Gadget. So right now I'm level 1, rank 0, and I'm actually really excited that we already have a shop on Lazada. Okay guys, so I hope that you found this particular episode helpful. If you did, give me a bunch of thumbs up. If not, I hope to see you in the next episode.